Ka tanat penyak election hapo ka jela hena ka sngi palai ka arpa pratrik leber arjara posau. Kalapit penyak lane scrutiny ka kerteng joki kertong kibalade bantep kerteng ilade. Bani aireng haki election MP Lok Sabha arjara posau National Parliamentary Constituency. Ya kene ka jimpit penyak lane scrutiny. Lapan long hapo conference hall ka office u Deputy Commissioner ka East Kasilis District. Haka ba u CB Chakravarti Sadhu IAS Deputy Commissioner ka East Kasilis District Shillong ulaya dan lang. Kumbala pau kerteng kibani aku nek election MP Lok Sabha National Parliamentary Constituency. Kidan Henry ngut. Herhe kene ka jimpet benya ikikot kisla. Lami tam so we kertong kata ubak Manuel Badwar jong kaseng kongres. UDC ula pentip markmat syaki kertong. Bat syakitu kibawan ban mi khamat iki kertong kibom syang lapoe kene kasngi. Baki dan ngut baro bat ubak Manuel Badwar. Ude u kertong pan up lane substitute jong kaseng kongres. Hadin balada ban pej benya ikikot kisla. Jong man kawai pa kawai ka kerteng. La menjur ya baro ki kerteng kam kano ka jing persya. Hadin balada ban pej benya ikikot kisla jong kertong kaseng kongres ubak Vincent H. Pala. Kaying baro kala menjur belakan tak no eka kerteng jong ubak Manuel Badwar. Ha kane kasngi pej benya ikikot kisla. Ki kertong ki balwan ban mi khamat dalade ki kentup ubak Vincent H. Pala badu kertong Shimet ubak Peter Shalam. Kar baki weipat ki kertong lawan ban mi khamat dakino elam jong ki parti. Kum man kedew hangne bahkan ke election kaman salong hakakat khandai trik yayong arjar posau kidan henrungut kibani aireng bakentup yoba Vincent H. Pala ubare UMP bamenta nakaseng kongres Dr. Mazil Amparin lengdo nak NPP baru bajun karjarin kertong yang monlang ke RDA Dr. Ricky Ejesenkon naka WPP bararngut ki kertong klemseng bakentup u Profesor Lakon Kema baru bak Peter Shalam kat bakatarik banwengno elade naka ïakhun kan long hakalai tarik lebar arjar posau.
Nominations filed by 7 different candidates, which includes a substitute candidate of the INC party as well. So we will go serial wise. So basing on the first whoever has in the order of submission of the nomination papers. So the first nomination paper was submitted by Dr. Manuel Badwar from NPP. Dr. Manuel Badwar has filed 3 sets of nomination papers, one by the candidate herself, and one by one of the proposers, and the third one is the another. So we have checked already, and which includes the nomination paper duly filled along with the form A and B, and including the security deposit and affidavit. Fully sworn affidavit as per the prescribed format, and all other documents of certificate which are mandatory for the nomination form. So we see that this is serial number 1, right? It is in order. If any of the candidates are anything. So again, candidate, this is the serial number 14. Though because we are taking up the nomination forms of candidates, each candidate separately. This is in terms of serial number of the nomination paper. This is the serial number 14, filed by the proposer, Mr. Rasmi, and this also has the form. Nomination form has been filled correctly with all the. One more set of affidavit also has been enclosed with other documents. So this is also in order. If no objection, accept this one. And third set of nomination filed by Dr. Manuel Badwar is with the serial number 15. It is filed by the proposer Joshua Sotham from 16 East Shillong. This also it is in order. Again, there is one more set of affidavit filed and other documents as we have mentioned earlier, and this also in order. If no objections, we will accept all these 3 nominations. We will go to next serial as an independent candidate. So Mr. Peter Shalam has filed only 1 set of nomination paper with serial number 2, and security deposit is enclosed, and as an independent candidate, they have the proposers. 10 proposers have been already signed, and in fact, when nomination filed, we checked their genuinity in terms of their epic card and whether they are the voters in the constituency or not. And affidavit is filed, which is properly in order, which has been with no columns left blank, and with proper oath has been taken. The ST certificate has been enclosed. So we see that the nomination paper is in order. If any objections, we will take. Otherwise, we will accept the nomination. By Dr. ïakhun by VPP. And Dr. ïakhun has filed 2 sets of nomination paper. With serial number 3rd is the first set of nomination paper where we have this security deposit which has been enclosed in the original, and folder in there, and being recognized state party. So Form A and Form B have been enclosed, and both have been taken. ST certificate is enclosed, and affidavit also has been checked, and it is duly sworn in, and it is in order. If there is no objection, then we will accept this nomination also. And the same candidate filed the immediate serial number 4th nomination paper also in the similar line, and which is also in order. So just check it again. So if there is no objection, we will accept this paper. Nomination paper filed by Sri Vincent Bala, and 4 sets of nominations have been filed. The 3 sets are filed by the candidate himself, and the 4th set was filed by one of the proposers. So where it is included, the security deposit has been enclosed, and nomination with the proposer and other columns in the nomination paper are in order. And Form A being a recognized national party, Form A and Form B are duly filled in proper form, which also include the scheduled tribe certificate, and oath has been taken properly, and it is also enclosed. So it is in order. If no objection, we will accept this nomination. With this serial number 5, and serial number 6 also will be same candidate filed himself by candidate, and with a different proposal, and this is also in order, and we have checked in fact this checked all these documents, and this is also in order, and this is also in a similar format. Going into the truth of the information filed in the affidavit, so we don't go and into that verification for the acceptance or rejection of the affidavit. But if candidate wants to say anything to rebut this one, candidate is free. Otherwise, we don't say it as a so if no other objection is there, we will consult the nomination paper accept. This is with the serial number 6. Again, the same candidate filed nomination, the 3rd set of nomination paper, serial number 7, which is also in order, that we have checked, and as in the similar lines of the first 2 set of nomination paper, it is in order. So if no objection with regard to nomination, we will also accept this nomination. And this 4th set of nomination paper filed by the proposer of the candidate, Sri Sandeep Bare, with the serial number 16. So this is also in order. So we have checked. So we will also, if no objection is there, we will accept this nomination as well. And this is serial number 5 is Manuel Badwar. Again, so this is a substitute candidate for the INC, as we have seen the two sets of nomination papers, the serial number 8 and serial number 9, as this, as per the established procedure, as this, because the Shri Manuel Badwar is the substitute candidate of INC, as the nomination papers of the main candidate have been accepted. This will automatically be rejected. Any objection for that? Of course, which is the independent candidate. They have filed two sets of nomination papers, serial number 10 and 11. And as the candidate is an independent candidate, it has with the supported by 10 proposals, which we have checked, and they were present at the time of nomination process as well. So these other columns of the nomination paper are in order, which include the security deposit and duly sworn in affidavit by the candidate. And we have checked the all columns in this affidavit, and they are in order with proper vote taken by the candidate, which is in order. If no objection, we will accept this nomination paper also. And again, serial number 11 by the same candidate, again similar documents and similar nomination paper. So we will also accept this nomination as it is in order if no objection. And the seventh candidate is Robert June Karjarin from UDP, and they have filed two sets of nomination papers with serial number 12 and serial number 13 with security deposit, and nomination paper is in order. We have elected with one proposer, and the nomination paper is in order with Form A and Form B from the party, which is duly filled, and with the sworn in affidavit by the candidate, which is also duly filled with all columns filled with the scheduled tribe certificate from the candidate, and the oath of affirmation also has been included. So if no objection, we will accept this nomination form also. Again, we will go to the serial number 13, the same second set of nomination papers filed by the candidate, and it is also been checked by the office and from my side, and it is also in order. So if there is no objection, we will also accept.
First of all, welcome to all the candidates to the Lok Sabha elections, and I place my wishes to you, all the best wishes for you for the coming election. We are here to observe the election and to facilitate the election procedure. We are not here for interrupt anything, and at the same time, just to assist you also, and to see that the guidelines of the election commission are being followed properly. And every candidate and every party, every person is following those guidelines. And as you are aware, my phone number is also disclosed in the newspaper, and you people just have. If you notice anything special, then you can always call me,